Hello guys, so today let's put to the test Obdprog Dr. M500 mileage correction. Let's see if it worth the money or not. We're gonna do the test on Toyota Auris. So first what you need to do, find the Obd port, insert our cable. Okay, let's just pop it into the car. So what you need to do next is turn on the ignition and check the mileage at the moment. As you can see, the current mileage is 105,498. So what we do next? We click on the Obdprog. Then we need to search for the vehicle we're looking to do the mileage correction. So in our case, that will be Toyota. Come on, Toyota, where are you? Toyota. One click on it, and then you click on enter. Then it's gonna give us a different models now. So we go for Auris. Then you have a different option. And another quick tip, guys, sometime you might get like 2015 to 2016. It might work on newer cars as well, it might not. So you have to be lucky, I would say. So for example, if you can see, we got a minimum year is 2013, and this vehicle is 2007. So we click 2013. And then ignition on. Let's start the car. Switching ignition on. Turn it off. And let's see. Enter. So you treat. And another tip, guys. This device works in kilometers. It's not in mileages. So have that in mind as well. And then we click enter. So this is the current kilometers, 167. So you press enter, and when you do the input, it says please input the mileage of the calibration. Just to let you know, it says mileage, but it does work in kilometers. Let's say you put 100, 100. Okay, so as you can see now, the car is 105,498, and we just enter it 100,000, and then you click enter, or either enter value input is okay, enter. The future is not supported. So as you can see, it didn't work. So let's try it on 2015 2016, if you're gonna have any luck or not. The ignition is on. It read the mileages. Okay, enter it. Let's put 100, 25, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then enter. Let's put just done. Enter. Input value. Enter. So the future is not supported. So as you can see, guys, we didn't have luck on the following vehicle. Let's try one more time. 2013, switch ignition on. The ignition is on. Okay, read the mileages, enter the mileages. Let's just try 134, 555, then done, and then enter. So the input value is the following. We just click enter. So the future is not supported. So if you guys looking to get this device for Toyota Auris, make sure it has the following years. Otherwise, as you see, the current vehicle is 2007 registration Toyota Auris, and we didn't have no luck to work on it. So bear that in mind for other makes and models as well, guys. And yeah, so next we're gonna go and try the Vauxhall Insignia and see how it goes. So just a quick update, guys. You might be curious what Toyota models it can be done or not. So let me just click on it. So Toyota, we got Auris, we got Avensis, Camry, Sea Archer, Corolla, Pros, or Tacoma, or whatever it is. So if you click on it, you can see the Auris is the following age, and Avensis the following years. Camry, let's go to Sia. This is the following models. Corolla, and then the last one is Tacoma, which is only 2016. So yeah, hope that helps and answers some of your questions, guys.